Audio Jungle.
Welcome to the Modern Laptop Screen Template, a professional After Effects project designed to showcase your website, app, or user interface in a clean and cinematic way. This pack includes 10 unique animated scenes, each with smooth camera movements, natural reflections, and realistic lighting inside a modern green industrial workspace. With just a few clicks, you can replace the screen with your own design. Simply drag and drop your image or video into the placeholder composition. All animations and transitions can be adjusted directly from the Essential Properties panel, giving you full control without opening complex timelines. In this new update, we've added a beautiful dark mode, perfect for dark-themed websites and apps. You can easily switch between day and night looks, depending on your project's mood or color palette. The template works great for both video and static renders. You can export animated mockups for promos and presentations, or render single still frames for banners, portfolios, and product showcases. Every scene is built in 4K at 30 frames per second, optimized for After Effects versions 2023 and newer. No plugins required. All expressions are universalized, so the project works seamlessly in any language version of After Effects. Whether you're presenting a business website, an app concept, or a creative portfolio, this template brings your design to life, clean, smooth, and professional. And welcome to this short video tutorial. To replace the laptop screen, go to the Project panel in After Effects. Open the folder One Edit Comps and double-click the composition called Placeholder. This composition controls what will be displayed on the laptop screen. You can place your videos, images, or even create animations here, and everything will appear on the laptop display. Once you've added your content, return to the final composition to see the result. To access the template settings in the final comp, click on the Composition Clips in the timeline. In the Properties panel, you will find a drop-down menu with different animation options. There are 10 unique animations to choose from. If you'd like, you can also play the animation in reverse by selecting the Reverse Animation option. This doubles your possibilities, giving you 10 additional variations. Keep in mind that this option only affects the camera movement. The content on the laptop screen will not play backwards. Additionally, you can disable the camera notch on the laptop screen by unchecking the option Laptop Notch. Now, with the update, I provide a new option. You can switch to night or daytime lighting of the template. You can use it to present dark or light modes of your website or application. When you're done editing, don't forget to render the final composition. That's everything you need to know about this template. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.